Hey folks, so first video didn't have any sound, so I'm adding the sound back. So this is the second video on showing you kind of how to set any images or printouts in OneNote as the background. And this is just kind of going to dramatically improve the functionality for students, especially if they're using their styluses, because their styluses can sometimes accidentally select a page and move it. And so by setting it as background, it'll keep it from moving. So what you'll do is once you find a page that you have as a printout, you're basically want to click on each page, and you can hold the shift button, click on multiple pages at a time. And then once you have all of them selected, you can right click and go down here and set pictures background, and now you can't really move that. It also makes it a lot easier for them to write on top of it, like typing. And yeah, it'll really help out. So just make sure you do that before distributing the page to your students.